Alright, so now let's try to apply these images to the design. So I'm gonna go with to edit Thrive Architect, and from here let's scroll down. Let me close this. Okay, scroll down to this image, replace it, and click on upload files. So we have two images right now. So this is the first one. We have this option. So I'm gonna scroll upload these two, and as well gonna try the other option, the third option, which is this one. And let me choose appropriate one. So let's insert this. All right, we got it here. So I can increase the size of it a little bit. And remove the text actually from here and here. And replace also this image as well. So let me choose this one, insert. So we have this one. Actually, I put a different version. Like, I choose also this one. All right. Got less colors than that one. So we could choose one of these. All right. And that's pretty much how you could replace these images inside your design. So right now, as you can see, we just replace this image, the new design one. All right, that we designed Photoshop, and we just replaced it inside the design, and the same thing that we did for this image over here. So notice it's compatible, very compatible with the design, and I really like it. We have here like a book, okay, contact box. I don't need this actually. I'm not gonna use it actually here. All right, we have like contact box here. All right, I can maximize it a little bit. This is like the design. And we have here like positioning, image effect, like grayscale. It's a grayscale already, grayscale. All right, and this is the size of it. Looks good actually. I really like it. Looks good. We have like border. Okay, like border from the bottom. You can remove that border. And we could actually take this image, put it above the content box, and then remove the content box. But notice the content box is basically like a container for the whole image. Alright, so they basically inside the content box we have like batting from the top, from the bottom. So you can take out this batting from all the sides, and then you go to the image, centralize it in the center. Alright, because here we have like absolute position. You can put it like absolute. Let's make it absolute position, right? Let's make it relative. All right, and here, so the content box, this is also like a container. It's a content box. We can remove that. We can remove that. So make it like very minimum. All right, and for the image itself, I just put no style. I need to maximize it a little bit to be like that. It's really cool. And for this side, like we have like a background, so we can basically make it like transparent. There's like shadow as well. I don't need shadow, just make it simple. And for this image itself, now we can add like style to it, like can add like borderland or like overlay rounded. Let me see what's the best one. Now let me replace it with this one, see if that one is better. Let's say reset to the default settings for the image. So now I think it's much better than the previous one. All right, and for this image, I just choose this one. Let me see the full size of it. It's really cool, but I think I didn't like the image size of this one. So let's say I need to increase it by 200% because I need to show the logo to make the logo much better. So increase the size of this image, say image 2 HD, and it's much better, but the quality of it is gonna be much better. So you're gonna replace this one with a new one. So let me select from here. Yeah, that the one that we're gonna use, and insert. See this image much better than the previous one. So right now I added the new images, the two new images. Let me check out on the mobile how it looks. See the content box. I think there is an issue with the decoration here, so let me increase this, and for this image it's should be relative. That's right, the content box. Let me see, the content box is over here. And mobile, maybe you should increase it a little bit, and the same here on tablet. I mean, need to increase it a little bit. Yeah, for the decoration, is there like a border from the bottom? See, it should be 0. And mobile, the same thing. We have like border from the bottom should be 0. And this is on desktop. Looks good. All right, so that's pretty much how you could customize the images, the look and feel of the website. So right now we have, like, we added this image, we added that image as well. So we need to have like extra images. We need to change like the pictures of these testimonials. We need to change the testimonials as the same for the image below. So what's good about Thrive, you could duplicate this actually, and then you go to the content box itself. So this is the content box. Let me just select it. Or let me say back. All right, so I can go to the content box. Let's say I need to duplicate it, right? And then once you duplicate it, the content box itself, not the column, the content box, alright, so see this option, content box, you click on save. Let's say item 1, I'm just gonna click on here, item 1, right? And once you saved it, you could, yeah, this is item 1, content box. I can go to this option here. It's got a content box, and I can replace it by selecting the item 1, right? And I can take out all the images. So we have like this one, I can replace this one. Alright, and this is for the book. I can remove it actually because I'm not gonna use it. So that's how you could copy like the entire design based on your content. So after you finish this, you can click on save. And after this, we can get started with the changes that we need. We're gonna change the whole content of the website, the main title, subtitle, the main features, and the rest of the settings. That's pretty much it. See you next video, guys.